I would have done the same thing, but we think pitch will getting little better in the later on. But we have to bat first here. It looks decent pitch.
Now, contrasting question from Pakistan. Your team did extremely well in the first half, both with bat and ball. You must be looking out to close the game better.
Of course, even though we lost the game, there are a lot of positives from our side, but concerned about few areas. Obviously, about last 15 overs, and when we went to bat, we failed, I think, 3 wickets in the quick session.
All right, then any team changes for you?
Yeah, there is a change. Teekshan out and Pramod Marshan comes in.
All right, then, Charlie, thank you very much. Have a good game.
Much.
Right, then the news from the center is that Salman.
पाकिस्तान ने श्रीलंका टॉस जीतकर फील्डिंग का फैसला किया है। शाहीन शाह अफरीदी बीमारी की वजह से आज के मैच से आउट हैं और उनकी जगह सलमान अली आगा टीम की कप्तानी कर रहे हैं।